Now, wireless LANs are becoming very, very popular both in public and in company networks. And on the surface, it seems pretty easy to set up a wireless LAN. You get a wireless access point, you get some wireless network adapters, and 1, 2, 3, you're up and running. And in some instances, it can be that easy. However, and the big however is between hackers, radio frequency interference, bad security implementation, bad site survey, selecting the wrong antenna type, exceeding FCC rules and regulations regarding maximum power output, and its associated components. There's a lot to know, and there's a lot to go wrong if an administrator doesn't have a solid understanding of the radio frequency fundamentals, of the fundamentals of managing a wireless LAN. So, in order to effectively implement, troubleshoot, and administer a wireless LAN, we are going to learn the key components and the key fundamentals of managing a wireless LAN. So in this exam pack, we've got 15 videos that take you from start to finish with the knowledge that is required to become a wireless LAN administrator. So we begin this exam pack with an introduction to wireless LANs, learn about the different methods and ways that wireless LANs can be implemented, and then we step things up a notch. Remember that wireless LANs transmit data using radio frequencies. So in order to effectively administer, troubleshoot, and implement wireless LANs, you absolutely need to know fundamentals of radio frequency and radio frequency technologies. So we'll learn about the radio frequency fundamentals and what can cause some interference with the radio frequencies. What creates gain in the radio frequency signal? What causes loss in the radio frequency signal? What is reflection? What is refraction? What is diffraction? What is scattering? What is absorption? What is VSWR? And what is visual line of sight in comparison to radio frequency line of sight? And we also need to know some of the basics of radio frequency mathematics. We need to know what a watt is, and a milliwatt, and a decibel is. And we also need to know some of the key technology concepts that are involved with wireless access points and the radio frequencies and how they're transmitted. We need to know about the different type of technologies such as FHSS versus DSSS, and channels, and dwell time, and throughput, and hop time. And once we've gained a solid understanding of radio frequency fundamentals, we need to know how to put a wireless LAN together. In order to understand how to put a wireless LAN together, we need to know about the individual devices that comprise a wireless LAN. So we need to know about what is the difference between a wireless access point and a wireless bridge. Why would I choose one over the other? What are the different type of antenna types, and why would I choose one antenna type over another antenna type? And what are the different accessories that we can use, the different components that we can use to put our wireless LAN infrastructure devices together? How do I connect the antenna to my wireless access point? And it's very, very crucial that you understand the rules and regulations in regards to implementing a wireless LAN, because there are very specific, very stringent rules for the maximum power output that can be output or transmitted from a wireless LAN. And we'll learn about the different methods and ways that we can create a wireless LAN topology. Now, I personally think wireless LANs are very cool, both for the home and the office use. It's very freeing to let go of that electronic tether, that Ethernet cable, and to be able to pick up your laptop, go from your office to the conference room to the cafeteria and still be connected, or at home be able to take your laptop from your desk to your kitchen table to the couch and check your email. These are all very cool features of a wireless LAN and allows for ease of use for your network. However, those cool features go out the window very, very quickly if your wireless LAN is not secure. It is not very cool when somebody hacks into your wireless LAN and steals sensitive data. So in this video, we're going to learn about the 1, 2, 3s of creating a secure wireless network. Now, as a wireless LAN administrator, one of the things you'll be tasked to do when building a wireless LAN from the ground up is to perform a radio frequency site survey. And this is critical to the successful implementation of a wireless LAN. In order to create a wireless LAN that is the most efficient and most effective, you need to create a map of the physical environment that is conducive to the placement of your wireless LAN devices in order to reduce interference for your wireless LAN devices and provide the maximum throughput for your wireless LAN and the biggest bang for your wireless LAN dollars. So we're going to learn about these topics and more in this exam pack so you can successfully implement, troubleshoot, and administer a wireless LAN. So grab your wireless access point and let's get started.